Hey friends, this is Bridgit Danner, and I wanted to take a minute to share a bit about this little thing right here called the Harmony Pendant. So my friend Wendy Myers is a founder, shareholder in this company because she really loved it and she really helped the company develop and do some research. So this is probably the second or third generation or more of this pendant. This one is rose gold. It's got some little holes in it and it's got this certain pattern. It was originally designed to harmonize your energy, and I'll talk more about that. But another thing they found it can do is help reduce the kind of the dysregulating effects of EMF, or electromagnetic frequency, on your body. So I don't know how exactly the design does it, but they've done studies on heart rate variability, which is a sign of your body's stress versus relaxation, and found that using the pendant helped with heart rate variability markers. And then they did some tests also about EMF, and I don't know if they measured heart rate variability or another marker when you're close to EMF wearing versus close to EMF and wearing the pendant. But she's got those studies on the site as you check out the pendant, and she's got a lot of great testimonials too and a money back guarantee. But I just wanted to share my personal experience that I am definitely a person who can be anxious, and when I use the pendant, it just kind of helps me take the edge off, feel more grounded. And it's really easy to use. You don't have to wear it all day, and you just need to kind of reset it once a week. So this is the rose gold one, and this is the gold one. So this is kind of more yellowish. There's also a silver one, and there's also a bigger one, because this one is a small design. And you can put it also on a shorter chain if you want. So there's lots of options. They are definitely like non-toxic because Wendy is really into the study of heavy metals. So it's a cool thing to try out. It's really no risk. It also makes a great gift for your loved ones, your team members, your kids. It's just really fun and also really beautiful. So you can check out, learn a little bit more about it at the link below.